Hi guys, I am Anurag here, and we am going to make a video on the real-time mask detection. This is the article, and this is my team. And according to my report, we just give the introduction that we are making this application so that we can detect whether the people have worn the mask or not, just to restrict the spread of a virus. So as per the problem statement, in the pandemic, real-time face detector that can correctly detect if the person has worn a mask or not. Project execution, we will first extra prepare the database, then label it, and then we'll real-timely with the help of webcam detect it. This is our pipeline. First we train the created database, then label it, load the object module, then apply FaceMask detector, extract the face region of interest from the labeling, and then show the results. The result would be mask or no mask. These are the requirements that we are going to use it in our system. And after that, I'm going to give you the live representation how we capture the images to the dataset. These are one of the samples in the report, and then we are going to label it, and I'm going to explain it how we are labeling our database. This is one of my teammate Karthik, where we have done the labeling of the mask and no mask databases. After that, we use all the steps to detect the object detection. We load the trained model that we load with the 5000 steps of training. This is the screenshot where it is loss is equivalent to 0.175, and later we just use that CKPT6, the last trained model, and detect the results. It's like if it is no mask, it's like 95%. With the mask, it is showing 50%, and it's accurately working very well. It's like 95 to 100% accuracy. So let's go and give you a live representation how we capture the image. As we have already ran the Python file. Yes, this is one. Okay, according to this tutorial, face mask detection, we are training the model. As I've already explained the pipeline, let's capture the image. In order to create a database, I am running the live webcam and trying to capture the image without mask and with mask. Let's start. Let me capture it with the help without mask. If I run it, I think I need to load it. Oh, not connected. Okay, if I run this, not connecting. Why it's showing not connecting? Not connecting. Shut down. Let me shut it down. Let me shut it down. Not shutting down. As let the camera appears, and it will save the images in the folder without mask. And let me close the camera. Okay, in order to see whether we have images or not, and we can see in without mask, I recorded a lot of images. Right now I captured the database. You can see. Now in order to capture the database with mask, I need to just change the folder name in the same file. Okay. Okay, here it is with mask, and I need to wear a mask here. And let me start the database once again. You can see I am capturing images with the mask. Okay, let me stop it, and we can see from our database that we captured a lot of pictures with the mask, and these pictures we are going to use this database for the labeling purpose. As you can see, we capture the database, and now it's time for label and then load the modules to train them. Okay, in order to start the labeling, just hold on. In order to start the labeling, I need to follow these commands. So in order to first install the in order to start the labeling part, and this is the command from git clone label img. After I have already run it, so that I am showing you the screenshots. After running it, we will get a label img folder. You can see from my folders, we receive this kind of folder after cloning it. But before running that, using that, we just need to follow few commands, because there are few dependencies that we need to run that label img. So I need to install conda install pyqt5. This is the dependency that we need. Later I need to install the lxml in order to save the labels in the of the images. And after that I need to use this pyrcc5 command to 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 set up the binaries for the label img. I need to run this command, and after running this command I just need to copy these two files in the label img. I just go to and copy these two files into the libs folder, libs library folder. And now our label img is set up. This is the file that I'm going to run. So let me enter to my project into label img folder, and here I just need to run python label img.py, and you can see I got that GUI. Here I just need to find out our directories where I have saved the dataset. For instance, I need to uh, go change the save directories. For instance, I need to save both of these files in this all images, I would say. And open dir. First I will open with mask folder, and this is my file. And in order to give the labeling, if I press W on my keyboard, I get this kind of thing, and I just need to drag it. And after dragging it, if I leave it, it will ask me the label. I would say this is as a mask, and OK. And if I press D for down, it will give me the another image, and again I'll do the same thing, press W and just again mask it. Similarly, after doing with a couple of pictures, I will change my directory. I will open the okay, you have saved changes, yes. Okay, with mask. Okay, now I open the dir, and I will open my without mask images, select folder, and again I'll start the saved directory as all images. And now without mask images, I just need to press W once again, press it, cover that area that I need to cover, and here I would say no mask, and OK. Similarly, if I press down, it will give me another picture. I just need to press W, cover that part, and release it, mask. With a couple of images, in the end I will get a database. Let me save everything, and if I go there, my TensorFlow, my images, workspace, images, all images, we can see that I have created this 4. I just labeled these 4 images. Okay, all images, and we can see that in our without mask we created with this we created this label, with this picture we created this label, and similarly in other folder with mask, with this label we created this label, with this image we created this label. And if I open this image, if I used Visual Studio 2019, and you will get an idea that it actually stores the values about the information of in the form of LXML image. It's taking a lot of time. Oh, I need to sign in and all. Okay, let me open it in another folder. Now if I open it with Notepad, let's see, can I open it? Yeah, you can see here it is giving the proper information, that width and what is the height and depth, and this is the name that I given it. It is the label it is given to this image, that it is mask. Similar is with the case with the without mask images. Now after doing all these things, I need to transfer the images in the test folder, and which I've already done it. This is my test folder in which I have few pictures with mask and few pictures without mask. And similarly in my train folder I have few more pictures. Similarly, as we can see, if I increase it, similarly with the mask and without mask images. And now we're going to run our program to see. Okay, after capturing, as I've done it, we have done the labeling part. Now let me set the paths. It is set it. Now create the labels. As I've already told you, I have created the mask label and no mask label in my data set. I have created this. Now if let me create the record sets. It is used to record this data set into the exact TensorFlow format. We need to run this command which will map that label map pbtxt that we have created. Let me show you the previously that we created it. It must be here. I have given the path is annotation path, and the annotation path is in annotations. Okay, let me show you. If I go by the TensorFlow workspace annotation, you can see I have created this earlier. It contains the dictionary kind of information, and we will map with the help of this we will create the TF records, and so that we can use that TF records in our object detection model. Okay, so let me run this file. With the help of this file we will get a TF record in a train.record or test.record format. Okay, I'm getting an error, just hold on. Yes, we got the error because we have to settle the object detection library in our system. So in order to set up the object detection library, we have to go through all these processes. We have to first install the protobuf installation with the help of protoc command, and then we have to go from Cocoa API installation and go from this all the processes. Later we have to install the object detection API. After the dependencies of Cocoa and all, we are managed to start the object detection API. With the help of this object detection API, now if I go from my files once again, I have done all these procedures, and now after doing all these procedures, okay, I got it successfully created. Later I have to download the TF model pre-trained model just to use that pre-trained model accordingly. After that I copied that model and give the name that, and saved it in the models libraries. You can see from my folders. If if I show you, yeah, I've saved it in my models that I pre-trained, and it's not pre-trained. Okay, then I trained it. Okay, then I trained it, updated the configuration by the transfer learning. You can see that I updated the configuration. After the updation, I generated that file and got that proper command to start the training model. In order to train the model, I use 5000 steps that I have done already. I can show you. Uh, mm, Let me find out where I've done that. It took a long time. Yeah, you can see when I run this command, and almost it took 7 to 8 hours, but in the end I got loss 0.17. I'm able to train my model. After train this model, I got checkpoint 6 as the final trained model position that's stored in the model this way. And now I just need to load this final trained model and run our project. Detected the real time, and after that I just need to run this program and I would get the results. As I am now running the detection in real time, let's hope it works this time. It's taking a little bit time, though it's functioning. Till now the camera must have started. Let's wait a little more. And with this running window we can see that this is showing that I haven't worn a mask, and if I put a mask on my face, it will show that I have a mask 100%. So I believe we have fulfilled the requirement of the assignment, and now I thank teacher for such a valuable lectures, and I hope we'll meet again in the future. Thank you very much.